Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 20th July 2020. Okay, and chapter 5th was going on. Name of the chapter is Emerging Modes of Business. Emerging Modes of Business. And this is your page number 1 of today's class. So students, e-business was going on. So now today I will tell you about the benefits or advantages of e-business. Okay, so let's continue. Benefits of e-business. Okay, the various benefits of e-business are as follows. First heading: ease of formation and lower investment requirements. You know about students, at the time of the online business only you have required the website. Okay, then you can easily start it and you will pay only the amount of the website creation. So it is easy to form and lower investment has been also required in such type of the business. So you will write it here: e-business does not need to follow complex procedures to establish business. Full stop. It needs very little investment. Okay, so on the basis of the online business, your investment amount is less, okay, in the comparison of any other type of the traditional business. Okay students, now second heading: convenience. E-business offers the advantage of accessing anything anywhere, anytime. Full stop. It enables the customers to shop at their own convenience at any time. It means 24/7 in 24/7 in a year. Okay, in 365 days in a year, you can also write it. Okay, so it is convenience. अगर आपको कुछ परचेज करना है तो आप 24 आवर्स 7 डेज 365 डेज सभी दिन आप 24 आवर्स आप कोई भी चीज एक्सेस कर सकते हैं कहीं से भी और किसी भी टाइम पर. ओके, सो इट इज कन्वीनियंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड पॉइंट इज स्पीड. Information moves very fast. Students, this is your page number 2 of today's class. through internet which speed up the process of buying and selling. It means on the basis of the speed of internet, the buying and selling process has been also increased. Okay, so now fourth point, global reach. You know about students, I already told to you, on the basis of the e-business, it is easy to establish the business on globally. Okay, so you can also tell it about it. That is the benefit of the e-business also. So with the help of a well developed computerized networking system, e-business allows the seller to operate at the national as well as global level. Okay, so it is easy in the sense of the internet business. It means that is easy in the sense of the e-business. Okay, so now fifth point, movement towards a paperless society. You know about students, paper has been maintained with the help of the trees. So on the basis of that type of the e-business, paperless society has been created. Okay, so use the internet has considerably reduced independence. Reduced dependence. You can also write it here, dependence. यानी आपकी जो निर्भरता होती है पेपर पर वो कम हो जाती है. डिपेंडेंस ऑन पेपर वर्क as most of the work is done electronically through computers. Okay, even the government departments and regulatory authorities have started using computers in their workings. It means it is also beneficial, students. On the basis of that type of the e-business, it is also reducing the paperwork, so it is also beneficial for our environment. Okay, and it is easy and you can also tell it about that. On the basis of the e-business, you can do any type of the work with full speed. Okay, so there are the benefits of the e-business here. So now I want to tell to you about the limitations of e-business. Okay, so now next main heading is limitations of e-business. Okay, so now I will tell to you, e-business suffers from the e-business suffers from certain limitations which are as follows. Okay, so now I will tell to you limitation from the next page. Okay, students. So students, this is your page number 3rd of today's class. Okay, I have started limitations of e-business. So first heading is based on the low personal touch. Low personal touch. Okay, so it lacks, you know about that in the e-business there is there is not required for the personal touch. So you can write it lacks personal touch with customers as it is conducted over the internet full stop. So comma, it is relatively less suitable mode of business, especially in products like clothes, jewelry, etc. Okay, so that is the first disadvantage. Second, you can also see it is following in this time. So you can see it incongruence between order taking oblique giving and order fulfillment speed. It means you can also tell it in the short form delay in delivery also. आपको order क्या delay मिलेगा, or maybe there are the chances that that type of the order you cannot receive as like your giving the order of that specific product. Okay, so you can write it here, the transactions of sale or purchase are generally finalized quickly, full stop. However, the physical delivery of goods often takes long time. You know about that, students. अगर आप किसी शॉप से गुड्स परचेज करते हो, कोई भी आप प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हो, सो यू कैन पे योर मनी एंड यू विल रिसीव दैट प्रोडक्ट ऑन दैट टाइम. आपने जैसे ही पेमेंट किया आपको वो प्रोडक्ट आपको रिसीव हो जाता है. बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ई बिजनेस, it is not possible. It will take the time. Okay, this incongruence causes a lot of inconvenience to the customers. Okay, so that is the loss for that type of the e-business. Okay, now next third point, increased risk due to anonymity, anonymity, and non-traceability non traceability of parties to e-business. Okay, so internet transactions occur between cyber personalities full stop identity and location of the customer and location of the customer is unknown. Okay, on the basis of the unknown location, आपको कस्टमर की लोकेशन ऑनलाइन बिजनेसमैन को ऑनलाइन सेलर को ये नहीं पता है कहां का कस्टमर है. ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम दिस विल बी ऑल्सो क्रिएट द प्रॉब्लम. देयर आर chances of now students, this is your next page number 4. Okay, now here there are the chances of impersonation, leakage of confidential information while using debit card, credit card, while using debit card oblique credit card, or you can also pay with the help of the net banking, so you can also write it. Thus, it is riskier to transact through internet. So this is also harmful for the businessman or the consumers also. Okay, now fourth point, people resistance. Okay, so look here, the introduction of e-business means transaction of new technology. It may require employees to undergo training and adjust to new systems of working. Okay, any change does cause stress and a sense of insecurity. Okay, on the basis of that type of the e-business, employees training is also mandatory, and at the time of the any changes, this is relates on the insecure work. Okay, now last limitation, fifth limitation, ethical fallouts. Okay, so look here, with introduction of e-business, companies may use an electronic eye to keep track of personal information of employees. Thus, there is possibility of leakage of private and confidential information not only of employees but also employees may leak company's confidential information company's confidential information to outsiders at a click of a mouse. Okay, so on the basis of that type of the thing, I think you know about the e-business. Okay, what are the benefits, what are the disadvantages of the e-business? Students, if you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query. Okay.